Hey, good morning. It's Paul Myers from Clark Marketing, which is marketing for contractors. And listen, the only way you're seeing this video is if you opted in on Facebook to one of our ads that brought you to our mini website and you gave us your information. So listen, I just wanted to kind of talk to you a little bit about, we are a real company. We're located in Northern Ontario, which is North Bay, Ontario, Canada. We are a marketing agency, been around for over 15 years, and our whole job is to help you increase revenue. So listen, there has to be some pain on your point, otherwise you never would have given me your information. So listen, you probably are, like most, a contractor working in the field, trying to generate revenues and hit your goals and dreams for your family and friends. And it makes it hard. It makes it really hard for you then to do all your marketing efforts and try to figure out, where the next, sale is going to come from, and how come there's not a pipeline of revenue waiting for you. And that's what we do. So listen, we're not working out of the basements of our homes. We're not somewhere overseas. We're a local Canadian company located again in North Bay, Ontario, Northern Ontario, in North Bay. And we've got 10 people that work here, and all we do is try to provide a big ROI, return on investment, for our clients. So listen, for every dollar you give us, we'd like to give you 3, 5, or 10 back. So I understand you are interested at one point because we have your information. So I'd like to just, nudge you a little bit to say, look, we can help you. Put some trust out there. We can help you drive targeted leads that will turn into sales for you to help you hit your goals for 2019. So look, let's just kind of walk into my office here, or into the office building, sorry, and just I can't seem to turn the camera around. So this is our building. We're real. We've been, again, here for over 15 years. We do all kinds of different services, from traditional marketing to digital marketing. But the whole premise here is that we don't work out of our basements. We're a serious business. We help businesses drive business and help them grow their business. So look, if something at some point in time you found there was an interest in our ad and you gave us your information, I just want to kind of nudge you and encourage you to reach back out to me. We want to help. We want to help you grow your business. We want to help you generate the sales that you need to keep the boys, the crews, all working. And I understand you're you're out there working. And I understand that you're busy, but this is something that we can handle. If you can just put your trust and faith in maybe one more marketing company, I have the results based on the case studies that we've done, based on the results we've produced for our clients. I know how to make the needle move. So look, we're real. We're as hungry as probably you are. And our job is to increase our sales here. And how we do that is to help you increase yours. So look, take another chance. Hit me back up on this email, hit reply, call my mobile phone, 705-491-2627. Again, my name is Paul Myers from Clark Communications. And we have businesses for marketing for contractors, where we help contractors generate leads to generate revenue, to give you the goals and the dreams that you're looking for, and to build your pipeline of prospects so that you know where the next dollars are coming from. Again, Paul Myers, Clark Communications, 705-491-2627. Thanks for your time. I appreciate you watching this. Bye-bye.